Good morning, or good afternoon. I love saying that like 50 times a week. It's so awesome. I love making these videos. They're not repetitive at all. Alright, so again, I'm just entertaining myself sometimes. I have no one else to talk to. Alright, so today we're going to be evaluating logs, and the calculator sadly only works with logs of a base 10, so obviously we're going to have to focus on logs of base 10 here at some point coming up soon, and we'll also eventually learn how to do some things on the calculator. So for right now, because of that, because the calculator only works with base 10, that means we're going to have to find another way to do the answers. So here's our steps. We're going to rewrite the exponential form, and then we're going to use a little guessing and checking to solve. So let's go through an example and walk through the steps. So we got log base 3 of 27. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set it equal to x, equals x. It's missing number. The answer is what's missing. Then I'm going to rewrite this thing in exponential form, where that little 3 that's written down below is my main base number. And then again, the x and the 27 kind of swap spots. The x becoming a little exponent, the 27 switching to the other side of the equal sign and becoming the answer. Now we're going to use our brain or our calculator to guess and check. So essentially, 3 to the first power doesn't work. That was wrong. 3 to the second power, that's 9. That didn't work. That was wrong. 3 to the third power is 27. Oh, there it is. And the part that's missing is the exponent, so the answer would be 3. So x equals 3. Oh, let's try another one. Log base 4 of 256. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put the equals x in there and now rewrite this as an exponent. My base number is 4, and then the x and the 256 kind of switch positions. The x becomes an exponent, the missing part. The 256 becomes the answer. So again, now I'm going to do a little guessing and checking. 4 to the first power is not right. 4 to the second power, which is 16. 4 to the third power, you probably don't know that off the top of your head, so you use a calculator. It's 64. And then 4 to the fourth power, which again I don't expect you to know, but it turns out it is 256. So there's my answer. There's my missing exponent. X equals 4. All right, so not terribly difficult or lengthy. But again, the idea is just kind of getting used to what logs are, seeing where the difficulties are, and trial and error and guess and check type of thing like this. This is a terrible plan, especially if the answer is not a nice whole number. If the answer is a decimal or a fraction, you'd never get it right this way. So again, we're going to have to learn some better ways than this, but it's giving us a basic understanding of something new. And with I-step testing going on this week, again, we needed to keep things kind of simple and slow-paced for those folks who are busy testing and need to do this as catch-up work. So again, apologize if it's a little slow and boring and easy today, but it's just the way it's going to go this week. All right, best of luck to you today. Have a good one.